Hello everyone, I'm Anthony from Durmapress. Many clients who buy press-brake machine for the first time always ask us what is the difference between NC and CNC machines. Today, I briefly introduce it to you. This is an NC system. It's similar to a classic button phone, solid, reliable, and it does the job well. However, it requires an expert driver. A highly skilled operator can use it to produce incredible parts, all relying on their experience and intuition. This is a CNC system. It's like a smartphone, all about smart features. Program a complex bending sequence once, and it's stored permanently. Need to repeat a drop? Just select the program and start. It can even simulate the bending process on the screen first, eliminating errors. This makes complex tasks simpler, repeatable, and faster than ever. That's all for today. If you would like to learn more, feel free to contact us anytime. Bye.